Welcome to the Hard Hat Training Series. Today we will discuss a few principles regarding beryllium, including where you will find it, the threats it poses to your body, and how to avoid exposure to it. In the late 18th century, Louis-Nicolas Vauquelin was studying beryl and emerald. A colleague believed that these gemstones could contain a new element, so Vauquelin analyzed them and found a new metal, though he didn't figure out how to isolate it. He announced his discovery at the French Academy in 1798 and named it glaucinium after the Greek word glycus because its compounds tasted sweet. Other chemists proposed the name beryllium instead. In 1828, Antoine Bussy and Friedrich Wöhler figured out how to isolate beryllium from beryllium chloride. After careful study, scientists discovered that beryllium is incredibly versatile. It has a high melting point, high heat capacity, and high heat conductivity. It earned the name the miracle metal. In spite of its versatility, beryllium dust and fumes are incredibly toxic to the lungs. Inhaling this substance causes the body's immune system to become sensitized. When a sensitized individual is repeatedly exposed to beryllium, their condition can eventually develop into severe lung disease or even cancer. Beryllium is a steel gray metal that is fairly soft and low density. It is one of the core elements you can find in the Earth's crust in small concentrations. However, as we just mentioned, beryllium does not occur on its own in nature. It has to be extracted from minerals such as beryl and bertrandite. Beryllium ore processing produces beryllium metal, beryllium oxide, and beryllium alloys. Each form of the element have different applications, which we will discuss briefly as we look at its useful properties. Before scientists discovered the harmful effects of beryllium exposure, it became a vital material used by industries pictured on the left. Industries found the metal to live up to its name when they learned it is stronger than steel and lighter than aluminum. Now, beryllium is used as a pure metal, a beryllium oxide, and an alloy with copper, aluminum, magnesium, or nickel. The United States is the largest global producer of beryllium. It is extracted from bertrandite ore in the US and from beryl ore throughout the rest of the world. Because of its strength and light weight, it is often used in high-tech items. As we've already emphasized, beryllium is extremely lightweight and strong. These properties make it an ideal structural component in high-speed aircraft, guided missiles, spacecraft, nuclear weapons, and satellites.